So out here, you're just steps away from the pool. Room 1023. This is a superior standard room here at Barcelo Bavaro Beach. Walk in, you've got your washroom to the left and tons of storage to your right. Got your hangers, safe, slippers, and again, it's a large closet, and you've got your robes on the other side. And we're gonna come in to the main living space. You see you've got a beautiful king bed, 2 nightstands, and on the other side, you have access to some drawers. You've got a desk, a chair and a mirror, lovely television, and a mini bar, and a table and 2 chairs. Got your mini bar down below. And oh, I love that sunshine coming through. So this is your private terrace. So out here, you're just steps away from the pool. You have a table and 2 chairs. I'm gonna come out, take a look from here. So again, steps away from pool. Again, your private terrace, it's a table and 2 chairs, drying rack. We'll come back into the room. Take another look from this angle. Just large, massive room. More than enough space, beautiful king bed. A ceiling fan. And now we'll take you back to the front entranceway to the washroom space. So you've got a nice large double vanity, your bathroom amenities, you got a stool as well. And then into the shower and toilet area. So you've got your toilet, shower, your dispenser. And again, this room features a bathtub. Take you back for one last look. This is the superior standard room here at Barcelo Bavaro Beach.